silver. That might be silver. Well, folks, this is a must-see. I find a bunch of coins and got me a silver, believe it or not. So found a bucket lister also. So all right, keep digging and stay tuned. Got to my property today, and the fire department's here. These two buildings are going to be torn down, and I'm going to metal detect here in the yard. I've been here before, but this week they get torn down, but the fire department here is practicing, so I'd like to say thank you for the Chambersburg Fire Department. We appreciate everything you do for Chambersburg, and I hope you have a good training event. Sorry about the stall, but fire department's here, and you got to deal with you got to deal. But there's a dime. All right, keep digging. Oh, guys, a nice 93. You can see the plug. I mean, I can see where the coin's at. There it is. What we got? Okay. Just a regular modern penny. But, hey. Been here before, and I'm still finding coins, so that's good. Using the Jethro program again today. So, alright, keep digging. Let's see here. 1948. And there's the weeks on the back. There it is, the one, just see that 1 cent. Alright, keep digging. Okay, guys, what's it gonna be? Not a real high tone, but could be something good, you never know. Yeah, modern penny. All right, keep digging. Look at that, guys. I don't know if I've ever found one of those. This might be a bucket lister, but look at that. It's a Susan B. Anthony, 1979. Wow, look at that. Oh, that's a nice find. $1. Susan B. Anthony. Wow. I don't think I've ever found one of those yet. So, alright. That is a nice find. Alright, nice heavy coin too. Alright, keep digging. Alright guys, a 94, I'm up against the sidewalk. What do we got? Oh, we got a modern quarter, Eagleback. Alright, I was hoping for something older. Alright, keep digging. Alright guys, a solid 92. Let's see, can it be a silver dime? That's what I'm hoping for. Oh, there's the edge. What's it gonna be? Oh, that might be silver. That might be silver. Oh, I think I gotta, let me get, where is my, yep, there's some smile juice. I think I got a rose, or a Roosevelt silver dime. Yep, I do, Bubby. Look at that. Silver dime. Alright, first piece of silver at this property. Aha, I knew I could find some. Alright guys, silver dime 1952. Let's get that in the sun. There we go, 1952. Okay, on the side of the house by the sidewalk, can we get another silver? Let's hope. Looks like it's right on the top too. Yep, I see it. It is not. It is a regular dime. Alright, keep digging. Okay guys, 96, and ooh, that's filled there, filled in. Maybe it would have been a driveway or something. We are on still a nice 96. We are on fast now. You know, I switch programs back and forth all the time, and there we go, quarter. Let's see what we got. Got a Georgie there, and Eagleback. All right, nice coin. What's the date on that? Let's see if we can get a date here. 82, I think. 82. All right, keep digging, guys. Another 90, straight 90. What do we got here? We got a penny, and let's see. I can't tell yet. Let me get the brush here for you. Let's see what we got here. See the railroad track, so modern penny. Alright, keep digging. Alright guys, still in fast. I wanted to show you this. Got a nice 90. See what we got. Silver was ringing up a 92. So, okay, there we go. Got us a penny, and we got a Wheatster. Got an AB there, and let's Let's see here. Yep, got the railroad tracks. The one property I'm finding a lot of modern coins, and the other property, there's two properties here. The other one, it must be older because I'm finding older coins there. So, all right, keep digging. All right, 95. Let's see what we got. Probably a quarter. Oh, no, penny. Oh, that's ringing up high. All right, modern day. Keep digging. Alright guys, 92, let's see. That was silver last time. Can we get lucky? Nope. Modern dime. Alright, modern dime, there we go. Okay, can we have something? What do we got? Got a wheat penny? Nope, modern penny. Alright, keep digging.